Hello, welcome to today's lesson. Today lesson we are looking at system configuration. Under system configuration we'll be looking at configure system restore. We're going to be looking at automatic system restore. Once your operating system has been installed, you've done also a lot of things. You've worked with your updates, you've worked with your taking care of your desktop environment and so on. Then now you want to do system automatic update to for security reason so that your Windows will be immune for security. So that is what you are going to do. And with that, you are going to set your system protection so that to protect your system in case your system crashes, so you'll be able to recover from it. So it's very, very important for you to do that. So what you need to do is to go to your PC. If you click on the search bar here, you can type PC. When you type PC, then you can see you have this PC. When you have this PC, what do? You right click on it and you click on property. Once you click on property, it's going to give you your PC property. At this point of PC property, what you need is system protection. System protection. That's what you need. System protection. System protection. System protection. You have to take system protection. You can see it here. This point here, system protection. You click on it. Once you click on system protection, then it brings you here. Now look at it here. Where my operating system is actually on this C drive, and you can see that the system protection is on. But you can see I have another disk here, training software, they are off because I didn't create protection for them. So but you can create protection for them if you want to, but your main area is this C where your system partition is. So you can create it, make sure it's on. So like this now, if I want to set this, if it's not on, you click on it, you just go to configure. At configure, you can see it here now. We have the turn on system protection, we have the disable system protection. But you don't want to disable it, you want to turn it off. Make sure you turn it on. Once you turn it on, when you turn it on, then also you want to now look at maximum usage that you want, the disk space that you want to use for it. You can see currently now is 8.83 gig. That's what I'm using. But you can extend it, push it. That means I'm using what, 43% of it. So I can push it downward. See, adding. I can add, maybe make it to 50%. That's what I'm using. So if you see this size is being changed, 50% I want to use. Now the one that he has used for me to protect my system is 8.83. That's what I've been used to protect my system. So that means he's keeping track of certain things that I'm doing on this system. In the case if there is a crash or something like that, I'll be able to restore back. He'll be able to give me back those things that he has helped me to store, so that I will not lose those files and those settings in my system. So that's it. So I can just close this and you can see. So if I go to this training now and I click on configure there, you see that it's disabled. And you can see that no usage, no maximum usage that was used, that was being specified here. So but if I want to, I'll click on turn on. When I turn on, then I'll give what I needed to use for it. Let's say 41%. You can see there's no current one now. It has not stored anything for me here as such until when I do that and apply, that way will start storing. But I don't want to do that, so I'll just take it back and I also make it a disable, leave it there as such. So I'll just cancel, not put. So this is how you do your system automatic restore for you. Automatically it will be keeping every restore point for you. So when you want to revert back to your old files, and when you have issues, you'll be able to revert back for you. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to also go to our page, our YouTube channel, to also watch more of this video. Thank you very much and see you in the next class.